Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Ainas. Today's idiom is tickled pink. Sounds funny, right? But it has lovely meaning. And no, it has nothing to do with being literally pink or being tickled. When someone says they are tickled pink, it means they are very happy, delighted, or pleased about something. It is an informal and cheerful way to express joy or excitement. The phrase comes from the idea that when people laugh or feel great joy, their cheeks may turn a little pink, just like when someone is tickled and starts laughing. So tickled pink simply means so happy that your face lights up. Let's look at a few examples. When I got your message, I was tickled pink. That means I was really happy when I got your message. She was tickled pink when her students surprised her with flowers. It means she felt very happy and touched. I'll be tickled pink if we hit 200 subscribers this week. Remember, you can't use tickled pink in serious or sad situations. You only use it when something makes you genuinely happy or excited. So next time you're super happy, do not just say I'm happy, say I'm tickled pink. It sounds fun, expressive and very natural in English.